And think about it like a commercial size screen.
But it's vertical, not horizontal.
It's made to be, yeah, vertical, but we place it horizontal and use it kind of like a roof on poles, on like a 3 pole structure that will have
Yeah.
over the pigs.
Okay. If I know what you're talking about, that material that's not shade cloth.
Okay, gotcha. So I'll
So
look into what.
where I'm going with this is the material I think that you're talking about has a lot more material and less holes. So shade cloth it's like a fine mesh. Now we don't have as much wind as you do, but we've had winds, we've had hurricanes where the wind comes in at 80, 90, 100 miles an hour. And we have never had any problem with the shade cloth. It just sits there. The wind goes through it really, really easily, and it's just not a problem. So I think if you actually get True Blue shade cloth, we get ours from, what is it? Farm Tech. Farm Tech, I think, is where we get ours. And you can get them. You can get it custom. You can give them a dimension, and they'll custom make it. With a dimension with grommets in it, so you can bungee it down. But even in
Okay.
extremely high winds, it'll just kind of sit there and ripple because it's a woven thread mesh rather than holes punched in a sheet. So it's a very, very different kind of material. It comes in different designations of opaqueness. I think the most opaque is like 80% all the way down to 50%. I would suggest that you get something, in the 70% range. That'll give you just a little more room for the air to go through. I would do that before I'd go into the container thing. I think
Okay.
I think you're really going to like it.
If you guys like this video and wish to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or consider following us on Instagram at Flores Valley Farms. Thank you for watching.